You have to stop avoiding it. Social media content is centered around video. Instagram's CEO just announced that the platform is no longer just a photo sharing app. The company has observed the explosion of video platforms like TikTok and YouTube and knows that it has to compete to stay relevant. So for you as a business owner or marketer, you really have no choice but to adopt this shift in content. And the sooner you do, the more success you'll have. Reels they're seeing vastly higher reach than any other form of content on the platform. So now is the perfect time to jump in. Today, I'm gonna walk you through how to use Instagram's version of TikTok called Reels to hyper grow your page and catch more customers. Throughout the video, I'll sprinkle in some pro tips that we use for our clients at Fisheye. So make sure you watch through the end. And hey, if you'd be keen, go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you can keep receiving these gold marketing nuggets to launch your business into the stratosphere. All right, before we dive into the tutorial, let's discuss what type of content you should create in the first place. First tip, know thy audience. Understand that Instagram's audience is different from TikTok's. I mean this in that both the physical population and their behavior are different. So while TikTok is geared toward trends, skits, and such, Instagram is geared toward value and entertainment. All this to say, don't publish goofy trends just to fit in. And especially don't just export your TikTok video and re-upload on Reels, because Instagram sees that little TikTok watermark in the bottom corner and suppresses its reach. Second tip, hook them early. People's attention spans are shorter than Joe Pesci. You have to put on your creative cap and find ways to hook your audience within the first few seconds. So build suspense, show attractive and unique visuals. Tell them right away what the video is going to be about, and use text for the super impatient. Third tip, don't waste people's time. We talk a lot about creating true value in your content, and value can dawn from a number of things. It can be educational, inspirational, or just entertaining. All three of those add value to people's lives. But a 60-second rant on why your company is great, that's meaningless to everybody, unless you can communicate how your product or service makes their life better. Not everything should be promotional per se, but you should absolutely be showing the sort of life your customers live after working with you. Okay, you've now got an idea of what kind of content to create for your Reels. Let's walk through a basic tutorial to get you started. All right, so here we are in Fisheye's Instagram account. This is a business account, so it's gonna look slightly different at the bottom. You're gonna see a Reels button in the bottom bar. We've got a plus icon, but doesn't matter. Okay, so top right, you're gonna see that plus icon. Let's go ahead and create a Reel. So there we are, there's me, hi. Okay, so a couple things to note. For one, you can obviously hit that camera button, the shutter button, to record your video natively right from your phone. You can also go in the bottom left here, you can go into your library and find a video or something, to import. But so your options here, you've got audio, you can select from Instagram's library, find something popular that people are posting, whatever you want, something, obviously fitting. So you've got a whole library to select from. You've got effects you've got hundreds of effects as you can scroll through that are pretty fun. Speed, mess with the time, and so forth. So your length, you're looking at three options. You can record at 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or 60 seconds. You can go shorter than 15 seconds, but that's, that's to basically get you started. And then a timer there that'll help kind of stop your video when you're recording. If you want to stop, say at 3 seconds exactly, set a timer for it. So anyways, let's go ahead and record a really important video of me talking. This is gonna go viral. All right, stopping that. Now this page really looks similar to what you find on any Instagram post or story or whatever. So you can add, music. You can do a voiceover if you want to, go through something with your audience. You've got more effects that you can add. And then yeah, your basic, stickers and emojis, and here's your drawing that you're used to. There's my beautiful cursive for you. This is the stuff that I think most people are familiar with. And so, text there again at the top right to tag something or whatever you want to do. So you've got some freedom there. To make it super easy to just record. So here we go, we got next, we're gonna share this. You can write your caption. I highly recommend including a lot of hashtags, especially for Reels with how young it is. This makes it super discoverable. And then you have an option to also share to your feed if you wanna do that. Which mostly we'd probably recommend. Tag people and that sort of thing. It's super simple, but that's pretty much the gist of it. So there you have it. Now you're ready to start publishing Instagram Reels. One final tip for you, be a little trigger happy. Quantity is important, especially in our era of lightning quick attention spans. Don't fuss over these tiny imperfections because viewers just don't care about those as much. Reels and short form video marketing in general, it's not a practice in futility. It can be highly effective and has been highly effective for brands who do it right. So now it's your turn. Thanks for watching.